guys, me and Missy are about to head over to Mountain View to the Chevy C10 festival, car show, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we're gonna have a good day. It's kind of overcast, it'll be cool, and maybe it won't rain, but we'll see. Got my drinks and my man purse here for the vlog equipment, so batteries and whatever. Yeah, I hope we have a good time. It should be a nice trip. I ripped the front bumper cover off of the truck on the last trip. We went to Fairfield Bay. Yeah, I you know those little concrete things at the end of a parking lot? Well, I didn't hit that, but they put our rebar down through the concrete to hold it in place. Somehow, either they didn't hammer it all the way to start with, or it worked out of the ground, so it was sticking up this high, and I didn't see it. I mean, I was just talking and stuff. It went underneath here somehow, probably pushed right there, and went behind it. And then when I left, I didn't see it. Obviously, it was up behind here. It just ripped the entire, all the way to the center, and it ripped it right here. It was sticking out like this. So yeah, I was disappointed. I had to kick it off with the rebar and then do an emergency duct tape to hold this all up there. And then this morning I got out and put wire behind there. So it's jury rigged, but it'll be all right for this trip and the next couple of trips we have, until I have time to fix it. You know what I mean? You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Well, we made it to Mountain View, and it's a much bigger crowd than I expected, but I guess that's not a bad thing. We're gonna do a drive around, and then we're gonna go back and eat, get something to snack on, and then we're gonna come back, because there's a lot to do here, it looks like. Once we get in there, we're not gonna want to come out and go eat, you know what I mean? Well, we parked 6 miles from the C10 car show, and we're gonna walk, get our exercise in, get our steps in. Anyway.
The option, we can do that. There's a few things but on yours you got that black bucket. What's that, man? Not even kind of. Come on, Ron, Bob. You guys don't want to go, me? That's all right. We're just going to get around.
we made it out. We're hot. It's very, very hot in Mountain View today. We're going back to the truck and going to find a cool place to sit for a while and drink something cool and sit in the air conditioner. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, we're glad that you joined us on this little adventure. All these vehicles, they are creative. I mean, it took a lot of creativity to put together these custom cars and trucks to show off to everybody, and it's nice. I see it as an art form, so I think that fits, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put a lot of effort into it.
Yeah. Well, please like and subscribe and follow and share and comment and all of that stuff. We'll see you next time at Nerd County Project. I'm Alan.
Missy.
See y'all next time. Later.
Bye.